It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't buy your meat, eat till you see. But I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I hope that I won't let you choke on the new surround. Don't let me love my strength and pain, and I will change my ways. You know my name as it's called again. It's yours and I'll take mine. Don't let me at the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and block my ears. I can see riddles and opens to my dreams. Love is tender, and it's my growing fear.
What? So come out of your cave.
So come out of your cave, walking on your hands. You see the world hanging upside down. You can understand dependence when you know that make us stand. The sirens call and say all you want. I will not hear what you have to say.
Okay.